Something just died. Uh-oh.
What?
Wow. You missed that?
He went for red light?
No.
No?
No.
No, what was that?
You're smoking. You absolute prick. You absolute prick, you just blocked the fucking roundabout. What a bell end. Oh, it's an Audi. Never mind. My bad. I didn't realise. I suddenly clicked. It's a fucking Audi.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman.
And that is how you go round a roundabout. A mini roundabout in your mini. And that is how you park on a corner in your van. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Like a feel, baby. Come on. Woo! Come on. Oh! Shall we fire up Photoshop and rearrange this BMW? I think we shall, and his perfectly spaced and legal number plate. I am so tempted to go on the curb and get around this clown. What do you reckon? Oh, we can't, can we? We're not going to have a chance today, Alexi.
Shitting Peugeot.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. What a fucking mess you made! Ow! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, you fucking bunch of dicks. They see me speeding up, that's what, they see me coming towards it, they see me put my foot down and they think, right Benji, I'm going to fucking get you today. Balance, man, balance.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
Can't stop annoying myself because you keep telling Daddy, and that's it.
I was talking to a bird.
Right, I've had enough. I can't sit by and watch this bird-brained Bristolian go on any longer. You may or may not be a little confused right now. I'm Charles, also known as Dashcam Hull. Recently me and Benji decided to trade channels and make a video each. This was decided following the recording of this episode of Driving Etiquette, where we tore into each other's inability to drive. However, throughout the planning of this video, I had to keep reminding Benji how truly hopeless of a driver he actually is.
I like to show that even god-tier drivers like me can fuck it up from time to time.
This self-proclaimed god of driving, who even uses an angelic choir to promote his merch, wanted to cover up a lot more of his mistakes than he lets on. He also decided that editing a video for my channel would be a fantastic opportunity to
in this man's whole career.
He parades around in them wanting to be more like me.
So let's throw down, motherfucker.
What's that? I was playing with my bird piece. I was playing with my goatee.
You seem to love putting yourself into these challenging situations, and there's a name for this. It's called priority syndrome.
You silly twat.
And may I just ask, how the bloody hell you didn't see this vehicle?
The fuck did he come from? Go on then, go on.
A telltale sign that you don't peer around your blind spots at junctions and crossings.
Where did he come from, Alexi?
Right?
I give no fucks. Clearly. Don't screen record that. Don't you fucking dare.
And what about how you deal with being pulled over by the police?
You want to do your window and talk to the guy? Turn the wipers off.
Oh,
Hiya, you alright?
Hello.
Pop the engine off.
I don't put the engine off.
Just turn it off. Don't turn it all the way off.
We just stop you because you're going a little bit slow.
Shut up. Tell you a story, yeah? Your mum is gorgeous. Now I just want to slap her tits.
That's a cause for concern. Or what about how you randomly swerve into people on Forza?
I don't mind that, yeah.
Okay, those last two were just me being silly. But anyway, I straight up say in my trailer, I'm not claiming to be the perfect driver. In fact, I'm horribly average and I'm definitely out there somewhere in a bunch of other people's videos. Benji, however, he reckons he's damn near flawless.
Do you know what? Charles, this is for you, my man. This is for you. Rate my driving. Roast it if you want. If you could spot any mistakes in my journey, go nuts, man. Go fucking nuts. There you go. Have it.
20 minutes later.
There you go, Charles. Enjoy and roast me or whatever. I don't know. Did I do anything wrong? I wasn't really paying attention.
But after all the fails we've seen from the god of driving himself, does anyone think during this short 16 minutes worth of uncut driving that Benji will actually have made any mistakes at all? Of course he did! Okay, now I'm going to be fair here. You did excellent with the pedestrians, with the dog. Spotted them early, slowed down comfortably to a speed perfect for the situation. And again with this narrow little bridge. Excellent planning, excellent awareness, and made entirely sure he could clear before proceeding. My first negative comment, however, is upon spotting the tractor. I would have probably hugged into here and stopped where the road is a little wider. He doesn't cause a problem here, don't get me wrong, but he does make it a tighter squeeze for both himself and the tractor, and you can even hear the roughage brushing his paintwork. As I say, it's a minor thing, but still could have been better. What's this I keep hearing, by the way? Is that little ding that goes off whenever you hit 30 miles an hour? Tut tut tut. You'd think an experienced driver would know what 30 miles an hour feels like, and not need technological assistance to avoid speeding. It's a limit, not a target, you grown-up little racer boy you.
Don't stop, don't, because you've blocked the fucking road up now, you bellend. Fuck me. People are thick as shit, aren't they? Dirty fucking animal.
good decision to not just go for it there. I have to admit, I really thought you were going to. So yeah, I had to nitpick, but what can I say? I'm simply trying to prove that Benji isn't perfect. And guess what? As bad as he makes me out to be, I've never been in a crash. In my car. With another car. Since I've had dash cams. But Benji, despite his selective memory when it comes to his bad driving, he's a much better driver than a lot of people we see out there. And the guy can edit, man. He edits circles around me. And he didn't go to uni. I did. It never ceases to impress me what he can create. His thumbnail game is on point, and his creativity seems limitless. He's a huge inspiration to me in my content.
Are you crazy? What the fuck are you doing?
Fuck it all, don't give a shit anymore.
If no one had figured that out already. And he's forever helping me with little things here and there. Benji is a top dude, and it's always an honour and a pleasure to be involved in his content. I'm not too sure how to end this video now, to be honest. Oh yeah, with another of Benji's fails.